Welcome back to Buddhism Crypto. Hey there, crypto heads. Ready to set the stage for your financial future with Bitcoin ETFs? You heard that right. Today we're going to show you how you can start profiting from Bitcoin ETFs in 2024. Disclaimer, this content is not financial advice. It is intended for educational and entertainment purposes only. Cryptocurrency investments involve risk, and it's crucial to conduct your own research and consider consulting a financial advisor before making any investment decisions. Alright, let's get into it. First, what is a Bitcoin ETF? Well, it's an exchange-traded fund that tracks the price of Bitcoin. Essentially, it allows you to invest in Bitcoin without actually owning it. This opens up a world of possibilities for investors. So, how can you make money with Bitcoin ETFs? It's quite simple. Just like any other asset, you can buy low and sell high. When Bitcoin's value goes up, you sell your ETF shares at a profit. And when it dips, you can buy more shares at a lower price. It's all about timing and being aware of market trends. Now, you might be wondering why 2024 is the perfect time to jump into the Bitcoin ETF bandwagon. Well, by then, we expect the cryptocurrency market to have matured even further. With increased stability and government regulations, the investment potential is tremendous. But remember, investing in Bitcoin ETFs still carries risk. It's important to do your own research, diversify your portfolio, and consult with a financial advisor if needed. Knowledge is power, and it's essential to stay informed about the latest developments in the crypto world. In conclusion, the beauty of Bitcoin ETFs lies in the ability to leverage the potential of the cryptocurrency market without the complexities of owning actual Bitcoin. What are your primary concerns or hesitations when contemplating an investment in Bitcoin ETFs? If you're already invested in cryptocurrency, what factors influence your decision? Share your thoughts in the comment section below, and don't forget to show your support by liking and subscribing to our YouTube channel. Stay tuned for regular updates on all things crypto. We're excited to announce that we recently reached an all-time high of 250 subscribers. Help us reach our next milestone of 300 subscribers by subscribing today. This is Buddhism Crypto. Until next video.